Too busy to learn English? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Chris Ho, your language learning mentor and coach. And if you're coming back, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here again. Today, we are diving into something I personally love and use every single day. Microlearning, a smart, simple way to improve your English even when life feels way too busy. If you've ever said, I just don't have the time, or I forget everything I study, this episode is going to give you hope and a plan. So, what exactly is micro-learning? It's learning in small focused chunks, not a full class, not a long study session, just 5 to 10 minutes at a time. It could be one new phrase, a short grammar explanation, 5 flashcards, or repeating one sentence from a podcast. It fits into your daily life, even the busiest life. You don't need to clear your schedule. You just need one moment and a clear focus. And here's the thing, those small moments, they build up, they count, and they make a difference. Let me tell you how I use micro-learning in my own life. I spend time commuting to and from work like many of you, and instead of letting traffic and impatient drivers stress me out, I use that time to listen to language podcasts or video lessons. I don't pressure myself to memorize anything. I just listen attentively. And sometimes I shadow, speaking along quietly in the car, even loudly, practicing rhythm and pronunciation. It turns my drive into something relaxing and useful, a time for personal growth, not just sitting in traffic. Oh yes, microlearning is real. It works, and I live it too. Now let's talk about the why. Why does it work so well, especially for language learners? 1. Spaced repetition. Your brain remembers better when it reviews something over time, not all at once. Learning 5 phrases over 5 days is more effective than 25 in one sitting. Cognitive load. We all have limits. Try to learn too much at once, you'll forget most of it. Microlearning keeps the load light, so your brain can focus and absorb. Active recall. When you test yourself, even just by trying to remember a phrase, you build stronger memory. Shadowing, repeating, pausing a video, and saying it loud. These are all active and powerful. That is why microlearning isn't just convenient, it's scientifically smart. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, give the video a like, hit subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps this channel grow, and I've got more simple and practical tips coming your way each week. Let's keep going. Look, life is full. Work, family, chores, school. We don't always get that perfect quiet time to study. That's why microlearning is so powerful. It fits into real life, while brushing your teeth, on the train, on your lunch break, or like me, in the car. It removes the pressure of study time and replaces it with progress in motion. You don't need more time. You need small, steady moments. Let's get practical. Here are 5 ways you can start micro-learning today. 1 phrase per day. Choose something real and useful. Could I get this to go? Or, I'm just looking, thanks. 2. Use flashcard apps. Add 3 to 5 new words a day. Review them while waiting in line or driving in the car. 3. Shadow. Shadow a sentence. Pick one line from a podcast, repeat it out loud, matching tone and rhythm. Watch short videos. You don't need a 30-minute lesson, just 2 to 3 minutes. Then pause, speak it, and review. Set one tiny goal, like today I'll learn how to say one sentence about ordering coffee. Tomorrow I'll say another in a different way. So here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. 5 minutes of focused learning today is more powerful than waiting for the perfect time tomorrow. Microlearning is a mindset, a habit, a quiet little superpower. I've seen it work for me, for my students, and I know it can work for you too. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning a new language too. And let me know in the comments what's one small thing you'll practice today. You've got this. I'll see you in the next episode. And until then, happy learning.